Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome out. Jermaine Lee Monster Steel here. You're watching this video because you might have some questions about our next event. I'm actually out here right now at the Vidar in Las Vegas, and it's an amazing 2-bedroom penthouse, right? And I remember when, renting Motel 6 was the only ideal option that we had, right? So we put together something that's really amazing. It's 3 days in a mansion. It is breakfast and lunch, picked up, dropped off from the airport, but more importantly, this is you being able to take your business to that next level, right? And that's obviously probably a cliche or overrated statement, but taking your business to the next level, what exactly do we mean by that, right? Coming out to Las Vegas, Orlando, Atlanta, Texas is generally where we have our larger mansion masterminds. So what's gonna take place is gonna come out, you're gonna cast your vision, you're gonna tell us all about your business, whether you have a 4-figure, 5-figure, 6-figure, 7-figure, or even 8-figure business, right? You're gonna get around other entrepreneurs, you're going to learn all about how to brand yourself as well as physical products.